Muhammad says, can a person in construction business build a temple, or in an apartment building, build a room in a flat that he has to build where the Hindu rituals will be performed? Is this permissible? Now, Allah Azza wa Jal stated in chapter 5, Surah Al-Ma'idah, in verse number 2, if I correctly remember, Allah stated, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. Cooperate on goodness and righteousness, and do not cooperate over sin and evil and transgression. Now ask yourself, building a house of worship for other religions, in my conviction, in my own religion, is this a good act or an evil act? You may argue, say, Sheikh, they believe they're right. This is not what I asked you. I asked you what you believe. Do you believe their idol worshipping is right or wrong? No, definitely it's wrong, Sheikh. Okay. Do you believe that other religions, churches, synagogues are truthful and their houses of worship are real and genuine, or it's against your religion? Definitely it's against my religion. So you are not by any means permitted to assist, to contribute, or to build things that would facilitate their evil to take place. But Sheikh, this is inhumane. They have the freedom to practice. Akhi, I did not say anything that goes against this. They have the freedom to practice their own beliefs, whether corrupt or real. I have no problem in that. This is their religion. This is their life. They can worship a cow. They can worship a mouse. This is their problem. I give them the truth as it is, that we only worship one God. And God cannot be a mouse or an insect or any other form. God is God. If they want to worship other than Allah the Almighty, this is their problem. I don't interfere in that because this is none of my business. But to come and contribute, to help, to assist in cleaning their temples, in building them, in renovating them, in doing anything that facilitates to them their bad deeds and evil deeds of worshiping other than Allah Azza wa Jal, this is totally prohibited. And it may take me out of the fold of Islam, because assisting them on their evil is like me worshiping their idols. Why would I do such a thing in the first place? So definitely this is not permissible, Ya Muhammad.